Hey there, I was sent over this ladder to share with you guys. I've got it up here as an extension ladder, but this is definitely a multi-use ladder because it's got 5 different shapes you can put it into, making it perfect for indoor and outdoor use. Let's take a closer look. This is a large A-frame format of the ladder setup. So let's take a look at how to adjust the ladder positions and heights. We have these levers here and they keep it locked in this A-frame. So if we unlock them, then we can easily close the ladder for storage. Then when we open it again, it will lock back into place just like that. These latches right here are for extending the ladder, so you would just pull them out, twist it down for a second, and this will allow the ladder to be raised up or outward depending on whether you are using it as an A-frame or as an extension ladder. Both the wheels and the stabilizers come unattached and need to be attached with the nuts and bolts provided. It does come with small wrenches, but I did find those difficult to use and ended up using my own tools to put them on. I really like that this aluminum ladder is not only compact and easy to store, but it also extends out to 17 feet when needed, especially if I need to get up on my roof. It weighs just under 30 pounds, but it's easy to move around with things like these wheels, and it has that added stability bar to help with those heights. I love that this ladder is so versatile that I can move it indoor, outdoor, multiple different ways I can use this in regards to how it's shaped. It's easy to store and easy to move around. If you're looking for a new ladder to use around your house, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.